Hi friends and family, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do beauty subscription and makeup subscription unboxings. I also have started to do some mini vlogs, and also, as you know, this video is going to be part of our Shein haul. This one is going to be our Gidgets and Gadgets part of the series. I know I said that very slow. On Shein, they do have a home section. I've been very pleased with the items that I have tried. They are usually under $5, sometimes not even more than $3. So, you know, you're not really losing out if you don't like what you try. One of the little gadgets I got was this cute little guy here. It is a little pink sea turtle. So if you don't know, I do have a granddaughter who occasionally stays over, and I just thought that this would be so cute to put in her bathtub. See how cute he is? Oh my gosh. He's adorable. I think she's just gonna love it. She's gonna just fall in love with this little guy. He's a pretty good size too. He's not too teeny. He's, you know, I was not able to pick the color. They did have several colors, so, you know, it's kind of a hit or miss when it comes to that, but I didn't mind because I knew she wouldn't care what color she got. But he's super, super cute, and I will put a picture with the pricing somewhere, probably on this side, because I like my pretty picture over here. So anyway, that was our first little gadget there. All right, now something else. Oh yes. So now I also chose these really cute silicone cupcake holders, or, you know, little cupcake things. So it does come in a set of 12, and they're silicone and they are reusable. They are a little bit, I mean, they seem a little thin for being silicone, but I still think they'll get the job done. You definitely will have to use them in a cupcake pan so that it will keep that structure. But yeah, I'm interested to try these out. I thought this was a really good deal for the price, and you get 2 of each color. It looks like there's 6 colors here. So yeah, I thought this was just something good to try. So I also thought this one's going to be kind of a little silly thing. So I also like to make banana bread. Oh, we love banana bread in this house. And so I thought, no, all right. So they also had some silicone little bread pans, right? Or so I thought. So here is the expectation versus what I really got. Look at how tiny these are. Like, these are literally the same size as these, except for they are this flat side. But I thought, you know, it's fine for the price I paid. I mean, even when you look at the picture, like, it totally says it's like a cake pan or it's like a cake something. And so I didn't even think to look at the sizing. So, but you know, I think my kids will still like me making banana nut bread with these. Like, it'll still be fun. They'll get their own mini size bread pan thing. This one came in a set of 6. They are this really pretty color. You know, they did kind of get smushed just from the packaging, which is fine. I'm sure we can, you know, when it fills up, it'll fill it out. So, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you win, you lose, you live to fight another day. Right. That's from The Sandlot. Alright, the next thing I wanted to try was it's a little tomato cutter. So you know the little cherry tomatoes? You put those in, and you'll see more by the picture. I thought I had some tomatoes, but we eat those cherry tomatoes like crazy, my oldest son and I, in this house. So I was gonna try and show one on camera for you, but it didn't work out. So it has this you know, this little didgeridoo here, and you put your little tomato in it, and then you slice it into 4s. Now, I thought that this was just a cool little gadget to try because I like to make, well, first of all, I do like I like the, how am I trying to say this? I love the cherry tomatoes in my salad, but they're still kind of big for my mouth, and then, you know, they squirt out. So I do like to cut them up. I also make that really delicious, like, it's like diced avocados, balsamic vinegar, diced cucumbers, and then you would still dice the little tomatoes in this little like salad thing. So I thought this would be fun to try because I am already cutting them and dicing them, but I thought, you know what, for a couple of bucks, like sometimes these things are just amazing little lifesavers. So I thought that I would try this. The other thing that I got is one of these. Now I know that these aren't really that hard to find or anything, but so I'm really picky about my salad dressing. I have to have, I like to have fresh ranch dressing when we eat our salads, and I did not have, like, I was using an old, I guess I was recycling in a way. I was using an old ranch bottle, but I thought, you know, since they had this on here for $1 or so, I thought I would just do it in here. I know that when we have luncheons at work and we order in salads, they come with these little dressing bottles, and they're so easy to put on your salad. Like, I just really like the idea of it. So I thought that, because I do make it quite a bit, the fresh ranch, so I thought I'll just give this a try. So there's that guy. Another cool gadget I got is, these were like $1 or $2. Now these are just for your window screens. So one of my windows has a small, probably about this size in the corner. It's not worth replacing. Like, we went to Home Depot and we were gonna try and buy a new screen, but it's like such a tiny, it probably is about this big, the hole. So rather than ordering it and putting in all the time and effort for it and the money, we just decided that we're not gonna order one. So I saw these and I thought, why not give these a try? It looks like there's a set. Let me see how many are in here. So I actually bought this for my babe. So I'm gonna let him know, like, I bought you something, babe. So, and look at how big, like, these are a really good size. So it's probably a little bit bigger than, well, it is a little bit bigger than my hand. And then it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it comes with 6 patches, and I seriously only need one, probably the size of one of these little squares. So I'm thinking we can probably even cut it off because it has these little pill and stick things, and I think it'll work just fine. So again, you know, for a couple of bucks to get these, like, that's a nice little gadget. The other thing that I got, it might seem kind of silly, but I'm gonna explain it along the way. So we got these little things here. You get, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it comes in a pack of 10. And let's see if I can open this up to show you. They're just these little trash can clips, because my children, when they change out their trash cans, they don't tie the little knot thing, or they like make it all difficult, way more difficult and dramatic than what it needs to be. So I thought, and I will put the picture here for a better idea, but you can just slide these right on to the side. You know, you put one on opposite ends of the trash can and it'll hold your trash bag. So I thought, because every time their bathroom trash is all dramatic, and then because they didn't tie the knot or whatever, it's, you know, it sags, and then half the time the toilet paper rolls are on the opposite side of the trash bag and not actually in the trash bag. So that's what what I got these little gadgets for. So we will see how well those work. And then the last thing I got here was this cute little lint. It's a lint roller. And I don't know for sure if it needs batteries, but I definitely thought that, you know, if I could get it out. Oh, I don't know why it's making this sound. So it's this little lint roller and you just, I don't know what that sound is. I don't know what the noise is. I'm gonna have to look more into this. But let me see if I could open it. I thought that possibly, and I should have read it, I guess. But I thought that it was going to be battery operated. But anyway, you just get, you know, the little things, like sometimes you have lint under your arm, you just scrape this off. Or, you know, maybe it'll be good enough for some thigh rub. I don't know. But sometimes you just get those little extra lint balls that make your shirt not look so attractive or look old and run down, or like you picked it up at the thrift store or something. Which, I mean, that's fine, but I'm just saying, like, this is good for that. So I thought I'd try this little gadget out. Again, I'm concerned about the noise. What in the French toast is really going on? And it's like oh. Because don't you think it would open so that you can empty it out every now and again? Well, it was a broken piece, but I don't know to what. Well, here is what the inside looks like. This was just hanging out in there. I don't know, it's just a little plastic piece. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, it does open up so that you can empty it out. I mean, it doesn't really look all that serious, the piece that was in there. Again, these are just cheap little gadgets. I do recommend these better than the ones on Wish. Like, these ones are legit. This would be rare if this doesn't work. Like, this would be the first time a gadget I bought from Shein didn't work. And I'm okay with that because, again, it's only a couple of bucks. Oh, I did forget to mention that I did get this little thing here because I am guilty. I keep breaking our bathtub plug thing. Like, we've replaced it twice and I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. It's like the hotel kind where you turn it and I keep breaking it. So yeah, so I thought, so what I do is my hair obviously plugs the drain, and yeah, I'm really embarrassed about it, but then I make my babe clean it out so that way it doesn't get plugged, and that way I can still take baths, and I don't know. So I told him I got this for whenever I break them while we're in between getting a new one or having him fix it, that I will use this, and that way I can, at the end of my shower, I can just grab up all my yucky hair and throw it away. And yeah, so anyway, there's that guy. So, have you guys tried any of Shein's little gadgets and gadgets, and what have you thought about it? I also purchased a while back this little frother thing. It takes one AA battery, and I've had that thing for like 3 or 4 years. It was so good. My mom would come over and she loved it, so I bought her one. I think it was $2 or $3, and she absolutely loves it too. Again, like, you know, it's lasted, we've had it for years already, like more than 2, like I think 3 or 4, like I said. But anyway, let me know what you think and what type of gadgets have you guys tried. So, thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's hang out some more as we go on to another part of our series next week in our Shein haul. All right, have a great evening, everybody. Bye-bye.